Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video of IT knowledge. So today in this video we will have to see that how we can learn to code. So here's I open a website W3 Schools. I practice my coding skills from there. So you can practice too. Here's a HTML tutorial. Here HTML is a standard markup language for web pages. You can try it yourself. HTML. First we make a header, then we make a title, this is a heading, make a heading, make a body here, make a HTML tag here, and then we run it. This is a paragraph. I write here and write here a paragraph here. This is a heading and write a paragraph. From paragraph we write welcome to my first web page. And then I run. Here we see that welcome to my first web page. If I make my website, so then welcome to my website, and then we run here. So if I make my website, then we write here then I write my name here for one more heading, welcome Ali Ijaz, and then I run here. So here we can see that I'm making my website. Then I write a short intro here. I am a small programmer who make small web sites. I make small website. Here's my intro. I have experience in languages like HTML, C++, JavaScript, and many other languages. We saw then we have it here on w3schools.com. Then I make run here. So here we can see that paragraph written here. I am a small programmer. I make small website. I have experience in languages like HTML, C++, JavaScript, many other languages, and we saw it here on w3schools.com. Then we write a heading h1, second heading. So if I see that h1 is like a bold website, then if I say that h2, what is the effect of h2? I write my name here. So we can see that h1 is bigger than h1 is smaller. So if I study headings, If we study headings, then write Ali Ijaz here on heading 4. Then I write again my name. If I press run, then we write that, see that headings are smaller than all headings. If I write Ali Ijaz, so my headings are all smaller than. If I write Ali Ijaz, first heading is bigger, then smaller, then smaller, then smaller. Then heading number 6 here, write Ali Ijaz. Then right here, so we see that where gone the title here. The title is not seen here. So the title, if I open a website and we see that new tab. So here the title here, this is a tried editor. If I make on another editor, so we can see that here a title. What is the title? This is the heading. So if I make heading 7, make it Ali Ijaz, then the smallest heading ever. So here's are the intro here. The more you can see basic elements, HTML elements, tag name, body name, first paragraph, P paragraph, empty HTML, space here, never skip the end tag. So you can practice here. So for more interesting and coding and tech and computer related video like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and share this video to your friends and fellow so they get benefited from my channel. Allah Hafiz and thanks for watching.